Hello, Stallion Rock Stars. For this activity, you are going to find a few different puzzles in different bags. Now, it's super important that you do not mix up the puzzles that are in the bags. If you turn over to the back side, you will see a super secret symbol on the back that will match all of the required pieces together. So, all of the stars go together, all of the circles go together in one bag. So before you leave this activity, make sure that everything is nice, neat, and tidy for the next friends that come. Your job is going to be to put those numbers in order from 1 to 10. Now, there are a few puzzles in there that are challenge puzzles. They use numbers that are bigger than 10. So if you really want to challenge yourself, pull out one of those puzzles instead. Have a great time, and don't forget to leave your center super tidy for your next friends.